Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download, install, and set up Visual Studio Code, one of the most popular code editors out there. Like, comment, and subscribe to help the channel grow. More tutorials coming your way. First, open your browser. Now search for Visual Studio Code for Windows. Now go to code.visualstudio.com. Here, you'll see the download button for Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Choose your operating system and click Download. Now, click on the Windows Download button. Now, open your .exe file folder where you have saved it. Once the download is complete, open the installer. Accept the license agreement. Choose your installation location, and make sure to check the All Options and Add to Path and register as default editor. Then click Install. Now, wait a second to proper setup. Now on your desktop screen, you see the Versus Code shortcut. After the installation finishes, launch Versus Code. You should see the welcome screen with options to open a folder, clone a repository, or start a new file. And that's it. You successfully installed and set up Visual Studio Code. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more coding tutorials.